Ready to dominate the battlefield in PUBG Mobile Korean version. Let's get you set up quickly using Taptap. First things first, you'll need the Taptap app if you haven't already. Download it from the official Taptap website, search Taptap and then safely download it onto your Android or iOS device. After installing Taptap, open the app in the search bar. Type PUBG Mobile KR, make sure it is the Korean version you are looking for. You should see the PUBG Mobile KR game result. Tap on it to go to the games page. On the game page, you'll see an install button. Tap that, and the game will begin to download depending on your internet speed. This might take a few minutes, as the game file is large. Once the download is complete, Taptap will begin the installation process. Follow the prompts on your screen to grant necessary permissions. After installation, the PUBG Mobile KR icon will appear on your home screen. Tap the icon to launch the game. You might need to update the game within the game itself after the initial launch. Allow the in-game update to fully install for the latest content, which includes new skins and more. And that's it. You are ready to dive into the action. Select your preferred server, customize your character, and start playing immediately. Have fun, and keep practicing to become the best. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.